Gear up. 25%, 50%.
I was inspecting the fans from the original plane.
Yeah.
And one of the blades looked like the one in your that 70 that you replaced at one time. It's like, I've seen this before.
30 seconds.
Like it went pretty much out the east, though.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. It's the only reason I tested it today.
0. 25, 7, 0, 6, 5, 0.
We wanted to stall though still. You saw that?
Zero. 25%, 50%. Gear up.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dad.
25 to 50%. %. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 0.
Pull up.
Zero. Main power systems activated. 50%. Gear up.
Join, Johnny?
Yes, sir.
50%. 50%.
That's not a jet.
50%.
No, it's not.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50. 50%. 50.
Damn gray planes disappearing on me.
0.
Even that happened.
25%. 50%. Ear deck landing flaps. Warning. 30 seconds.
You landing?
Yep,
0.
landing.
25%. Warning. 0. 0.
There you go. More power. There you go.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
50%. Gear up.
Well, I have another receiver. It came out of a buoy.
You have another one home or here?
Oh, I got one.
50%. 50%. 50%. 1 minute. 50%. 25%. 50%. 0.
Beautiful. Oh, good shot.
A little more power. Ooh, look at that.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. G-force 4.11. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%.
Serious.
Yeah, I know.
50%. 0.
You don't have to dance with the wind.
25%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. 0. 25. 25%, 50%. G-force 4.44. Timer 0.
So what you have, 2 batteries for it?
25%, 50%.
That's what I'm gonna start doing. Just having 2. No.
G-force 4.18. Gear down, landing flaps, 50%. Warning, 30 seconds. 2. 1. Timer expired. Bingo fuel, return to base. Land immediately. 0.
Taking off.
Gear up. 0. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah.
0.
Yeah.
25 for 50%. G-force 4.32.
Yeah.
50%. 50%.
And
50%. 0. 25%.
Whoa.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 0. 25, 50%. 0.
I'd break out the barf bag.
Yeah.
50%. 25, 50%.
I think you'll probably need one of those. How much time do you have left, Johnny?
Fuel remaining 1. Time remaining 50%.
Over a minute.
Okay.
If you're landing, go for it.
50%.
I'm at the same spot you are, so I'm going to come in early because you are more consistent. Landing, nice enough.
0. 50%.
Oh, that wind is getting worse, isn't it?
0. 0.
Nope.
That was me. I did that.
You did fine. Look at that. They couldn't get any more perfect.
25 for 3. 0. 20, 0.
There's always luck involved, JD.
Okay. Take it off. The wings go out a little bit. And I need to test out on. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Look at that.
Okay, AS3X switching on now. I mean, safe.
Yeah.
Now try to bank to the left or right and see what happens. Now 80 degrees. That's about right.
That's full right bank.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go upside down
Okay.
and then throw safe on. Oh, that was me. Wrong.
Yeah, what was with the pushover?
Yeah.
I don't think the pushover is part of the test. All right, now do it.
you go.
Damn, that was fast.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
I said I'll never do that on a first flight.
Now, nothing wrong with it if you're high enough. I do moments all the time but on maidens. If
Okay,
I'm
I
comfortable, I do.
About approach. Okay, y'all can be the judge now. I got it on. That drop, yeah. That's okay. Oh man, that ain't bad.
Oops. I got a win. Little drop, but that's okay.
That sucker dropped.
Yeah, he did.
Is that what they call that?
Let's see.